Well, tropical update as of 8:30 p.m. PST, August 21st. Tropical storm Moke has formed, which is the second tropical storm of the Central Pacific hurricane season. Yeah, changed very large an organization. It's dealing with some southwesterly shear. So yeah, I mean, it's kind of fighting, but pressure's down to 99 millibars, pumped by the recon with 40 knot winds. So they went with 40 knot wind, moving west northwest word at 295 by 10 knots, and should continue, maybe bending a little more on the west over time. Conditions look favorable enough for a little bit of strengthening during the next 24 to 36 hours. Then it will weaken. I mean, that's just the way it is. I mean, what can I say? Hers are a tropical storm. You can definitely see the convection mostly to the north and northeast of the center. Um, yeah, hers a track, which keeps it south of Hawaii, as you can see. GFS agrees with this situation. Intensity should peak by 24 hours, then weaken. We'll have to see what it does longer term, but conditions don't look too favorable for it. Tropical storm Lala at 28.7 north and 70.4 west. What can I say? It's moving, starting to move northwestward, as you can see. Has 85 miles per hour winds, moving north at 90 miles per hour. DFS shows this continuing, weakening slowly over time. Let's take a look at clearly a lot weaker comparatively. That's for sure. Here's the advisory, which they were at 75 knots, moving 355 by 8 knots. It's clearly going to weaken below hurricane by 36 hours. Yeah, but it's going to stay around a tropical cycle for the next 120 hours. At least they think it will. Go out with a 37.3 north. Wow. Um, Now we're going to look at 91E, 9.3 north, 115.6 west. Become a little bit more organized tonight. Should move north to northwestward, then bend long term to the west. GEFS shows hurricane 980, so we expect this to become a hurricane or very close to it the next 4 or 5 days. Intensity models mostly makes it a strong tropical storm. Um, let's take a look at it. Uh, yep, loading. I mean, you're starting to get it out of sea, but it's not exactly too organized. So we can do so. Strengthening during the next 24 hours should be fairly slow. Then it will pick up. Um, let's take a look at the Atlantic. The Atlantic. Let's be honest. We got a couple systems. The one in the northwest Atlantic moving towards Portugal at 20%. I doubt it's going to become a tropical cyclone, but hey, there is some evidence in the next 36 hours something could form off Portugal, and before things become less favorable for it. They went with 20%. There's another system in the central subtropical Atlantic had 10 and 20% in the next 2 to 7 days. Um, is east southeast of Bermuda. Doubtful that forms. What's interesting is the one that forms south of the Cape Verdes has 20% in 7 days. Let's be honest. We're going to be watching systems trying to form. Let's be honest. Look at this. This is a lot more interesting to me in this thing, or even this thing. Neither of these systems have a chance, really any chance at all, in my opinion, of developing. This system always has an LC, but ANC obviously isn't going to list it. This system also looks interesting. Both are going to move to the west for the next few days. I mean, I'm going to give this one 30. This one long term, maybe another 30. Doubtful either of these have much of a chance. Um, yeah. Another system going to form long term off southwestern Mexico could have 20 at 7 days. I'm going to be honest, I'm not even going to cover the West Pacific normally, but well, look at Suntel for a second. It's up to 85 knots. Going to move south to Japan towards China. Could become pretty intense. 18 is interesting. Gulf of Tonkin, a tropical storm. Make landfall pretty soon. That's all I'm going to talk about. That's your word watch.